Hi, this is TT. Well, I have a sweet tooth at nighttime. I gotta find a way to stop eating at night because that's when I get the most hungriest. Is at nighttime. So I am going to talk to my doctor about that when I set my appointment up. Because he's going to have to help give me something more. I'm going to have to find something so I can stop eating at nighttime because it's a little 11:10 and I want something to eat. Of all times, this late at night, and it is cake. Lemon cake at that. I ain't think about no frosting. That probably would have been great. But yeah, it's this new stuff that they got going on, and you can make it, and it is delicious. Don't take very much. Be nice to have some frosting on top of it. But yeah, and wondering why I can't lose no weight. Cause I get hungry at nighttime. Oh man. But I did do my walk today, so that's a start. And I'm gonna still give it at least a week. The celery challenge and the lemon with the mint and honey in it. I'm gonna still give that a try. Cause this is only day 2, so tomorrow will be day 3, which is Wednesday. Cause I started. What was yesterday? Monday. So I started yesterday, Monday. Today is Tuesday, and tomorrow is Wednesday. So this was. Oops. And so my cake can be kind of moist. I'm getting ready to add a little oil to it, just a little like that. Okay, I'm gonna add a little avocado in it. Yeah, just a little bit of dab. So I like my stuff moist. Just a little bit. And a little olive oil. See? Yep, just a dab. Not a lot. You know what? I forgot to pull out the butter. Let me see if I can. Yeah, just that. There we go. Just that. And let me get the butter. Because I like a little butter in it to make it a little soft.
Sweetie, I treasure you. But before you kids, I used to know the names of people and bands. And not just the singer, but the guitar guy.
And just a little butter. Not a lot. There we go. Alrighty. There we go. So it'll be moist. Yeah. And it tastes good. Alright. Butter is squished up. There we go. Alright. There we go. All I do is put it in the oven. And I'll let you. It only take about. It says take. Let's see. 14 to 16 minutes. Can you see that? 14 to 16 minutes. So it ain't gonna take long. That makes it even better because I ain't gotta wait all night. There we go. Alright, let's stir a little bit more. There we go. Make sure I get there we go. Alright. Oh yeah. Okay, you need just a little milk. A little. Alright, I don't need no more milk.
Closure is supposed to be a good thing.
Voila. Alright, it's ready. So let me put it in a... Okay, I'm old school, so I didn't use the, the spray stuff to spray in there. See, old school, when I grew up with my mother and all them, they used to take the, what is it called, Crisco and rub it all around in there and then put the flour in there. I ain't gonna put no flour in there, but I did rub it with the Crisco all the way around, so that way it make it easy to slide in and slide out. All right, let's put it in. Okay. There we go. There we go. Nah.
Take advantage of this momentum. You can do this. We're just waiting for you.
Make it happen now. Get the healthcare career you want in as little as 9 months at pmi.edu.
You need a loan. The bank says no, and you say no to a payday loan. What do? A VO credit. Personal loans up to $5,000 with easy monthly payments. So go online and apply today.
It's supposed to be for cupcakes, but I'm making a nice little cake going on here. Alright, let me...
This is an important alert for anyone taking HIV drugs, Viridian, Truvada, Complera, Stribic, or Atripla. These drugs were originally approved to treat HIV-1. They are now known to have serious side effects. They include bone deterioration or bone fractures, chronic kidney disease, and even kidney failure. The makers of these HIV drugs knew about the serious problems and almost immediately crafted a super drug without the known side effects. The problem is, they did not release the new and safer drug to the market until the patent ran out on their less safe HIV drugs. So for over 10 years, Viridian, Truvada, Complera, Stribic, and Atripla provided billions of dollars in profit while thousands of people became sick and suffering. The makers of these drugs placed profits over patient safety. It's time they're held accountable. If you
I don't know, it's too late at night to be eating on cake, but I gotta find something that works to help stop my appetite. If anybody just happen to know anything that helps stop appetite, please send anything to me to let me know this works, because I need to know, because I get hungry at nighttime. Of all times. During the day, you barely catch me eating anything. But as soon as after 6 o'clock kick in, oh my goodness, I get so hungry. And oh my goodness, the sweet, just gotta have something just sweet. So, I'm gonna find something to... Matter of fact, I got an appointment tomorrow. I'm going to see if I can talk to somebody, and if I can find out what we can, because I know there's a lot of women out there like me. We eat at night, and our main thing of eating is everything dealing with, what is it, starch? Not just starch, but, what is it called? Carbs. Everything dealing with the white. The carbs. pasta. Oh my goodness. Just can't stay away from pasta. Pasta, rice, noodles, bagels. Yeah, everything dealing with the pasta. So, alright, this is to make sure it feel every crick and crinny. And it's ready. So hold on, let me bake it and I'll let you see what it look like afterwards.
Not sorry.
Well, here's the outcome. Looks delicious. Now let me take it and flip it upside down. Let me see if it looks like I used to do back in the day. You're able to just take it in. Yep. That's the easy way of doing it. It came out just perfect, even though it got the little split in it, but that's alright.
It's gonna feel like an eternity.
Okay, this is my midnight snack. Yeah, I know, I ain't supposed to eat like this, but what the heck. Well, I know I'm supposed to show y'all the new apple cider and all other little stuff with the parsley and stuff in it. We'll do that tomorrow because I'm too tired tonight and I just want to snack on this cake and nod on out. Yeah, I know that's going to put a little weight on me, but I'll work on it. Well, TT out.